Hello students, today I am going to explain you Project Tiger. Tiger is our national animal. Project Tiger is a wildlife conservation project which was launched on April 1, 1973. The project was started with 9 tiger reserves in different places, but today it has become one of the most successful wildlife conservation venture, specially constituted tigers reserve in various regions throughout the India. What they are telling, as we know, the tiger is our national animal, and during the past few decades, the number of tigers were decreasing in our country. So, what the government has taken, government has launched a project named as Project Tiger, where the government has made some wildlife reserve, some wildlife conservation reserve, so that they can conserve the number of tigers. And during the launching of the project, only 9 reserves was made. Nowadays 28 reserves are there, which is the most successful wildlife conservation venture in our country. The project aims at tiger conservation in specially constituted tiger reserve in various regions throughout India. It strives to maintain a viable conservation resilient tiger population in their natural environment. Project Tiger helped increase the population of these tigers from 1200 in the 1970s to 3500 in 1990s. However, a 2008 census held by government of India revealed that the tiger population has dropped to 1411. Since then, the government has set up Tiger Protection Force to combat poachers and begin the relocation of up to 2 lakhs villagers to minimize human-tiger interaction. So, through this venture, different different data scheme that how tiger can be reserved, how tiger protection can be done. Different data in during the 1970s there are 1200 tigers. During 1990s there were 3500 tigers, but in 2008 census it has came that 1411 tigers were there. So this number has decreased in 2008. So the government has made a force known as Tiger Protection Force to combat poachers, so that the our villagers or the peoples who are killing the tigers, they shouldn't kill the tiger. Now, Project Elephant. This project was undertaken to preserve elephant in their natural habitat. Some areas like Bandipur in Karnataka and Nagarhole in Kerala were identified as elephant reserve. So, elephant also need to be taken care. So, this project was launched as Elephant Reserve. These are in the present in Karnataka and Kerala, named as Bandipur and Nagarhole. Project Rhino. In India, the Indian rhino is illegally poached for its horn, which is used for traditional Chinese medicine and other oriental medicine. Habitat loss is another threat. This rhino project has been a major source. Only 100 rhinos remained in the early 1900s, but today, a century later, their population has increased to about 2500. However, even so, the species is still endangered. The Kaziranga National Park, Manas National Park in Assam, Probitra Reserve Forest, Lakhua Reserve Forest, and Orang National Park of Assam and Royal Chitwan National Park in Nepal are homes of these endangered animals. So, as we know that rhino skin and rhino's horn is very important. It is very useful thing. Some Chinese medicines are also made. The skin is used for some making some cloths and all. So these rhinos need to be protected because people are killing these rhinos. So what government has done? Government has done some imposed or made some national parks so that they can be preserved. Conservation of crocodile. Crocodile skin is used for making fancy leather articles. Thus, they are killed in great number. To prevent this killing, many efforts are going on so that do not become extinct. Madras Crocodile Trust Bank, which began with 10 crocodile has grown rich with 800 crocodile in their reserve. So what they have done, crocodile skin also very useful for some works like making articles and making things, leather articles. But what people are killing this crocodile, so the government has thought, let's make a trust so that they can preserve crocodile, and this trust was named as Madras Crocodile Trust, and it was started with 10 crocodile. Nowadays more than 800 crocodiles are there in that reserve. So this was the entire chapter. I hope all of you have understood. In the next class I will provide you the question answers of this chapter. So all of you read the chapter very nicely.